Today I'm gonna show you how to create a project on Photoshop. Just type Photoshop on your search bar and wait a bit. So here you can see a home page. There are some tabs like art and illustration, and you can see some formats like 1000 grid, 2000 grid, poster, even postcard to full HD. Then you have print, A4, A5, even A6, different types of papers. You can also choose different types of photo format from landscape to portrait. Then you have mobile. Here you can choose any kind of mobile ratio, iPhone, Android, even Apple Watch. And web is basically website. Film and video. If I'm creating a YouTube thumbnail, then this tab will help me. Saved is basically if I have created a project, then I can easily access it. Okay, let's create a project. So now we are here in our custom tab, and I can choose any number. So let's go for 2000 by 2000, 8-bit, 16-bit, and 32 bits. The bigger your bit rates, the larger your file size will be. Pixel aspect ratio is how big your pixels are, so leave it as it is. And you can also choose your background color. So the most important thing is the scale. You can choose pixels, centimeters, millimeters, picas, or anything. Simply click create and you have your canvas. You can paint, draw, do anything. Now click file new and you will get back to your home page, and you can create another project by choosing any format. Let's go with poster. Now do the same thing, and we want to choose A6 paper. So here we have our 3 canvases. So this is how you create a project in Photoshop. I hope it helps.